Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am coming at you from my kitchen slash living room floor slash dining room floor, I guess. It's all one big room. And I am about to make a 21st birthday gift for my sister, and I thought I would show you guys what I'm making. I'm still not totally sure what I'm making, but we're kind of gonna figure it out as we go. So hey, the more the merrier, right? I did some searching on Pinterest and like just related to 21st birthday gifts and saw something somewhat similar to this, so I'm kind of just gonna make it my own and do something similar. And I'm gonna make a 21st birthday card. So it's like a 3D card. Let me show you. So these are all our supplies. This is a birthday card for later. Got some Sharpies and I have some other ones here, like metallic, and a pencil, scissors to cut the paper. Then I have really thin Sharpies if I need them. And then this is the main star, kind of, this big poster. I just got black so that the metallic would show off more. But then we have some tape and mini bottles of alcohol because she's turning 21. So I was thinking of writing like time to get wasted and then kind of drawing like a clock, but then like these are the times on the clock. And I'm thinking of doing one at noon, 3 p.m., like 6 p.m., and 9 p.m. I guess, like the 12, 3, 6, and 9 kind of. I don't know, I didn't know, and I stressed in the store and I bought some extra. All right, let's get started. I'm looking at this and I don't know what size poster board this is. Does it say? It is 22 inches by 28 inches. I feel like it's way too big. So I'm thinking of cutting out to make it like into a square. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So I think first I'm gonna take my pencil and just sketch out like time to get wasted and then the clock, and then I'll see what I actually want. Okay, so I just wrote time to get wasted, really simple. And I'm gonna think I'm gonna do 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. All right, so I just sketched out, obviously super rough sketch here. Time to get wasted, just to see kind of what it would look like. And then I think I'm just gonna place 4. And then I think I'm just gonna draw like dashes, because obviously this is 12, 3, 6, and 9, so I'll do like a dash for 1 and 2, 4 and 5, so on. But I don't know, that looks good enough to me. And then I'll just like cut off what's on this side. All right, that works. I guess let's write in Sharpie first, and we'll see what happens. I just started erasing my pencil marks and I really didn't follow them. I don't know why I drew them and then didn't follow them. But it leaves like a serious mark. I'll show you. So you can see I just erased the like letter D, and it literally shows up more than the actual pencil. Sorry to my sister, I'm horrible at arts and crafts. Well, another option is to just use the other side, the other half over here. I literally think I'm about to do that and just not trace it. Okay, so round 2, here we go, round 2. Hi everyone. Okay, so I thought I was filming for the past 5 minutes and apparently I never hit the record button, so I feel like poop. I'm really sorry. So, update, I guess it's kind of done, which I'm really bummed about because I thought I got some really good footage and I never hit the record button. So, here's what I did since you last saw. So, I redid the time to get wasted, and this is like a comparison. So, I didn't trace this out, and I think it looks, I don't know, it looks a little better, but also doesn't, but there's no pencil marks, so I'm just gonna like cut this. Then I placed 4 bottles and I started taping them down. I'm doing them at like 12, 3, 6, and 9. I started taping them down, but they're not really even, so I need to fix it. But then I'm just gonna like draw the clock hours and hopefully it'll look good enough. So I mean, super simple, like literally this has taken me, well, to do the actual one right, like less than 5 minutes. But I'm really sorry, I'll keep the recording going now. Update, if you mess up your tape like me, it does rip the poster. Oops. Oops. And also try to center it on the back if you can. Clearly I'm struggling with that. Alright, now let's just, I guess, draw the clock. So I have the mini bottles of alcohol at 12, 3, 6, and 9. So I'm just gonna draw like 2 dashes in between each one to signify the other hours. Now I'm just gonna draw clock hands in the middle. Alright, so I drew the dashes and I drew some really terrible clock hands pointing to the 2 and the 1 for 21. But it looks like a middle schooler did it, but honestly, I don't hate it. She's getting free alcohol, so like you can't really complain, right? I think I'm gonna cut off the other side now. Alright, so this is how it looks. It's not as centered as I thought it was gonna be. But that's with the clock, I mean. But maybe I'll cut a little bit off this side. I think I will to make it even. Yeah, I'll do that. Alright, as far as spacing goes, that looks a little better. Well, I have a little bit of space, so I think I'm gonna glue, not glue, but tape another mini bottle up here and here, I think. Let's try it. Alright, well there you have it. My basically less than 5-minute middle school craft, but there is alcohol involved, so best middle school craft ever. Just to clarify, she really is turning 21, so it just looks like a middle schooler made this when I'm really in my mid-20s, but that's okay. Well, thanks guys for following along on my mess of a journey. I had to redo it. I stopped filming midway through, but we did it. Hopefully you guys like this simple, easy little craft, easy way to get alcohol to someone who's turning 21. And I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye!